Welcome to Auto Show Cars. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Audi Aventura, a groundbreaking entry into the luxury motorhome market. Audi, renowned for its innovation and performance, has crafted a vehicle that redefines mobile living. Under the hood, the Aventura boasts a potent hybrid powertrain, delivering an estimated 335 horsepower. Paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, this motorhome ensures confident handling across diverse terrains. Whether navigating city streets or venturing off the beaten path, the Aventura offers a driving experience that's both powerful and efficient. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that epitomizes luxury. The cabin features hand-stitched leather upholstery, fine wood veneers, and brushed aluminum accents, creating an ambiance of sophistication. The spacious living area includes a gourmet kitchen equipped with modern appliances, a spa-like bathroom with a premium shower, and a plush sleeping area featuring an adjustable bed for ultimate comfort. Technology enthusiasts will appreciate the Aventura's state-of-the-art infotainment system, centered around a high-resolution touchscreen. Advanced driver assistance systems, such as Audi's AI Traffic Jam Pilot, enhance safety and convenience on the road. The premium Bang & Olufsen sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, making every journey enjoyable. In line with Audi's commitment to sustainability, the Aventura incorporates eco-friendly features. Roof-mounted solar panels provide renewable energy, powering energy-efficient appliances and reducing the vehicle's carbon footprint. Sustainable materials are used throughout the interior, reflecting a dedication to environmental responsibility. The exterior design of the Aventura is unmistakably Audi, characterized by sleek lines and sharp angles that convey both elegance and aerodynamic efficiency. Its commanding presence is sure to turn heads, whether parked at a campsite or cruising on the highway. However, such luxury and innovation come at a premium. With a starting price of approximately $150,000, the Aventura represents a significant investment. Its substantial size may present challenges in tight urban environments, and fuel efficiency is estimated at 12 to 15 miles per gallon, which is typical for vehicles in this class. Additionally, maintenance and repair costs are expected to be higher than those of standard vehicles, reflecting its premium positioning. In summary, the 2025 Audi Aventura sets a new standard in the luxury motorhome segment. It seamlessly blends performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, appealing to discerning travelers seeking the very best in mobile living. While it comes with considerations typical of high-end vehicles, the Aventura's offerings make it a compelling choice for those ready to embrace the open road without compromising on luxury.